In this video, I'll show you how to delete your YouTube search history on your PC. If you want to clear your watch or search history for privacy, or to refresh your recommendations, this is how to do it. First, open your web browser and go to youtube.com. Make sure you're signed into your account. At the top left corner of the YouTube homepage, click on the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. From the menu, click History. On the right side of the page, you'll see several options. Click Clear All Watch History. A confirmation box will appear. Click Clear Watch History again to confirm, and that's it. You've successfully deleted your YouTube watch and search history. From now on, YouTube won't use your past activity for recommendations until you start watching videos again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. It really helps support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.